Today, let us see the specifications of a digital voltmeter. So, before we go to see the specifications of a digital voltmeter, we already know what a digital instrument is. The instrument which represents the measured value in the form of the digital number is known as a digital instrument. It works on the principle of quantization. The quantization is the process of converting the continuous input signal into a countable output signal. So the instruments that are used to express the measuring quantity in numeric format is known as the digital instruments. Quantization is the basis of working of digital instruments. It is an act of transforming an analog signal into its digital form. Digital instruments are composed of logic circuits that carry out measurement of the quantities. Due to several advantages of digital instruments, such as the high speed, the errorless results, the better resolution, the greater accuracy of over analog instruments, the popularity of digital instruments are increasing rapidly. Also, the digital instruments display the measured quantity in discrete numerals, thereby eliminating the parallax error and reducing the human errors associated with analog pointer instruments. In general, digital instruments have superior accuracy to analog pointer instruments, and many incorporate automatic polarity, range indication, which reduces operator training, measurement error, and possible instrument damage through overload. In addition to these features, many digital instruments have an output facility enabling permanent records of measurements to be made automatically. So, specifications of a digital voltmeter, we see we say it as a 3.5 digit display or 4.5 digit display, whatever it is. Next is the resolution and sensitivity of digital voltmeter. Let us see what it is. Next, the specifications of the digital voltmeter. So, the different specifications of a digital voltmeter are the 3.5 digit display. The number of digit positions used in a digital meter determines the resolution. Hence, a 3-digit display on a DVM for 0 to 1 volt range will indicate values from 0 to 999 millivolts. A fourth digit capable of indicating either 0 or 1, hence called a half digit, is placed on the left of the display. So fourth digit permits the digital meter to read values above 999 up to 1999. So this type of display is called a 3.5 digit display. So this, as it is shown in the figure, the leftmost bit is nothing but the half digit. It is showing 0 or 1. And the other 3 bits are the full digits, which are showing from 0 to 9. So what do you understand by resolution? If n is the number of full digits, then resolution R is given by 1 by 10 to the power of n. So the resolution of a digital voltmeter is determined by the number of full or active digits used. If n equals to 3, then resolution is given by 1, resolution is given as r equals to 1 by 10 to the power of n. If n equals to 3, then r equals to 1 by 10 cube, which is nothing but is equal to 0.001 or 0.1%. This is the resolution. Sensitivity of a meter is the smallest change in input which a digital meter is able to detect. So, it is the full scale value of the lowest voltage range multiplied by meter's resolution. So, I'll repeat. It is the full scale value of the lowest range, lowest voltage range multiplied by the meter's resolution. So, sensitivity is the full scale value of the voltage into R, that is the resolution, where Fs minimum is the lowest full scale of the meter. R is the resolution. So what is the resolution of a 3.5 digit display on 1 volts and 10 volts ranges? This is one of the examples. We'll see. So number of digits is 3. Therefore, resolution is where n equals to 3 and resolution is 1 by 10 to the power of 3. So the resolution will be equal to 0.001. Full scale reading of 1 volt, the resolution 1 into 0.001 is equal to 0.001. For full scale reading of 10 volts range, the resolution is 10 volts into 0.001 is equal to 0.01. Hence, the meter cannot distinguish between values that differ from each other by less than 0.001 of full scale. So the specifications of a digital voltmeter are the display, that is whether it is 3.5 digit display or 4.5 digit display. Next is whether we are using LCD display or any other display. The input range, that is the voltage range which it is capable of measuring. It may be from plus or minus 1 volt to plus or minus 1000 volts with automatic range selection and overload indication. So each and every time we are measuring the voltage, we need not check the range or we need not check the polarity because it has the overload indication. Next is the overrange indication, that is only 1 or minus 1 is displayed at the most significant bit position. Next is the absolute accuracy. It is as high as 0.005% of the reading. Stability. The short-term stability is given as 0.002% of the reading for a 24-hour period, and long-term stability 0.008% of the reading for a 6-month period. Resolution 1 part in 10 to the power of 6. So 1 microvolt reading can be read or measured on 1 volt input range. The input characteristics: input resistance typically of 10 mega ohms and input capacitance 40 picofarads. The output signals: the print command allows output to printer, BC output for digital processing or recording. Zero adjustment, it is an automatic adjustment. When none of the signals are connected to be measured, then the output is shown as 0, which is automatic. And the functions which we know is we can measure the DC voltage, AC voltage, DC amp, AC amps, diode testing, and the resistance. The switch selection as desired. The, so the temperature range is the operating range ranges from 0 degrees to 60 degrees. And polarity, auto negative polarity indication, low battery, there is a B mark on the LCD readout. So these are the specifications of a digital voltmeter. To sum up, the outstanding qualities of a digital voltmeter are the display, the input range, the absolute accuracy, the resolution, the input resistance, the input capacitance, the output signals, the overrange indication, the zero adjustment, the functions, the ranging, the manual ranging, the sampling rate, whether it is of low battery or good battery, the temperature that is operating from 0 to 60 degrees, the power consumption, it has two AA size 1.5 volts batteries, so the life is 2000 hours typically with zinc carbon. The standard accessories, the probe, red and black, safety fuse, etc. Next, we have the probes. Standard accessories are probes with a red and black probes, red for positive and black for negative. The ground, the safety fuse is 250 volts and zero point 0.2 amps. The size is 160 into 80 into 30. The weight is 250 grams without any batteries. So these are the specifications of a digital voltmeter.